my car. I finished it. And I closed the trunk. I noticed I left the key in my car. And I tried to open the door and trunk as well. But it was locked. And there's my room key as well with the car key. That was about 1:30. After midnight. So what could I do? My battery was almost dead. So I called people with real reliable, but I couldn't do anything at all. And finally, I asked ChatGPT for the solution. That's so clever. That's so clever. I made a phone call to the insurance company. So I didn't have to pay anything. So finally, I got my room key from the car. The engineer opened the car in 10 minutes. Of course I want to have a car because I'm drunk a bit, but now it's almost gone because of that incident. There. Oh. The last part from the Jameson. I didn't even know I still have a bit. Right. Just a tiny bit. That's good enough because I have to drive tomorrow. Cheers. Finally, I can sleep in my room. Nice. That's really good. I got to buy that one again. Jameson IPA edition.